Hello, Taurians. Welcome to the extras. So, these are, as the name suggests, they are extra readings or extra information which may be of some help for you. And just see how it resonates. And as the other readings, these are also general, so they may or may not resonate with every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So, please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And they are obviously small readings, they are just a bit of extra information which maybe are of some help for you. So let's see what we have for Taurians. Wow. Let's see what are the messages for Taurians from this deck. Okay. So Taurians, here you are starting off a relationship which is very beautiful. There is obviously a love connection. It can be a pure friendship also, which has an equal give and take, which is very balanced, which is very sweet type of an energy. Okay, so there is a relationship over in your life, and there is a lot of communication which is going on. There is a lot of communication, but there is something, I think, which happens in this communication itself, that things are taking a bad shape immediately. Immediately, I think, because it is coming immediately after this communication, what I feel is there is something which is happening during this communication which is sort of ruining this entire relationship. Okay, and because of this ruining factor, and you feel as if you've left out in the cold, things are in a bad shape and things are not good, you become quite closed off. You've become quite closed off and guarded, cold. Okay, or maybe this is the energy of the other person, that the other person is becoming very cold towards you and very closed off. Okay, and the thing here is that there is definitely a new beginning. There is definitely a new beginning, and things are moving forward in your life. So whatever this thing is which has taken a back seat, what I feel over here with the Five of Pentacles, things are literally worn off. Okay, and you feel cold. You are obviously closed off, taking back your energies, very cold in your attitude, but definitely there is some sort of a new beginning which is coming in, and things start moving very fast over here. But the thing is, I had seen two other cards also after this card, and that is why I just thought, should I include them or not in the reading. But since they were both major arcanas, I thought of including them, and those were the Death card, the Devil card. Below it is the Page of Pentacles, and then the Nine of Cups. Okay, so what I feel here is, whatever this new beginning is, which may move very fast in your life and immediately may pick up pace, but it can end as soon as it picked up the pace because of something negative over here. Okay, I'll just move the cards so that you can see them. Though I didn't plan to make this reading so long, but since I saw these cards and I didn't want to keep the reading incomplete or the information incomplete, what I see here is that though these are all major events which are happening. Okay, so there is a new beginning which picks up speed and immediately sort of dies off because of some reason. It can be this thing also. Okay, whatever this communication was, it did pick up the speed, it gave you the new beginning and immediately died off because something happened in this communication, and that is why you felt left out in the cold. And this is because of this devil, that is a negative energy, maybe something very very controlling, something negative, something toxic in the environment or in your mindset that was communicated during this communication. Okay, and this led to this energy of Five of Pentacles, that maybe this has led to an abrupt stop page of the communication, perhaps that immediately the other person closed off. It can be that maybe this is, as I said, the other person became very guarded and that is why you feel left out in the cold. So something has happened in this communication definitely, which has left you in this position, and it is immediately dying out. This thing is ending. Whatever had picked up a lot of momentum is with the Chariot, is a very fast moving card, fast moving energy. This is a card which conveys a very fast moving energy. So what I feel here is this new beginning picked up the pace, it's ending because of something very very negative, and here you are moving towards a new beginning which is different, though not that big, it's smaller than that, but yes, ultimately it will lead to some sort of wish fulfillment to you. Okay, and here with the King of Clubs, it is a magician of this deck. So definitely there are new beginnings in your life. So what it is talking about is there are new beginnings which are being sort of spoiled or ended by because of this negative energy. So you have to be on guard because of this negativity, whosoever this is in your life. Otherwise maybe things may get spoiled, so you have to take care of that. If you can, maybe you will be able to avoid it, but I think it's tough because all the three are major arcana. So it is destiny. It is destiny. Whatever has picked up the pace is ending. I think that is this relationship which is ending because of this communication over here. Okay, Taurians, I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.